By the end, you'll identify 5 attic invaders, and the last one may look like a bedbug for a reason. A dry, silent attic seems unlivable. So why does one forgotten room attract stingers, scavengers, wood borers, and blood feeders? The obvious suspect is dirt. But cluster flies can invade a spotless home, and powder post beetles may arrive hidden inside new timber. Age is suspect number 2. Yet new houses have gaps, warm roof lines, stored boxes, and untreated wood. The same opportunities in cleaner packaging. Here is the hidden mechanism. An attic is a station offering 3 tickets: shelter, food, or a host. Each bug needs one. First, wasps. Paper wasps hang open combs from beams. Yellowjackets may hide a layered paper nest inside a roof void. They are not eating your house. They use protected cavities, then defend the colony. One active entrance can serve hundreds or thousands. Watch from a safe distance for repeated flight. Never seal an active hidden entrance. Trapped wasps may search for an exit indoors. Call a professional. Next, slow, sleepy flies at an attic window. Cluster flies are slightly larger than houseflies, gray-black with short golden hairs. The attic is only their winter hotel. Their larvae develop outdoors as earthworm parasites, so indoor breeding is not the explanation. Vacuum-visible flies. Before autumn, seal gaps around eaves, vents, siding, cables, and windows. Spring spraying misses the real entry season. Tiny patterned beetles near glass look harmless, and adults mostly are. The real culprit is a bristly larva hiding far from the window. Those larvae eat animal-based materials: wool, fur, feathers, hair, and dead insects. Old bird or rodent nesting material can become a buffet. Search dark edges for bristly shed skins and uneven damage. Remove abandoned nests, lint, hair, and dead insects. Vacuum thoroughly and seal clean textiles. Now inspect the wood. Pencil lead-sized round holes plus flour-fine dust below a beam point toward powder post beetles, not termites. The adult is only the exit. Larvae spend months, sometimes years, tunneling inside hardwood and packing galleries with powder. Clean away the dust, date the spot, and watch for fresh powder. Extensive or structural activity needs correct identification and a licensed inspection. Final reveal. The flat brown bug near your ceiling may resemble a bed bug, yet its preferred landlord hangs upside down. Bat bugs live around bat roosts. When bats migrate or are excluded, hungry bugs may move downward and bite people. Do not diagnose from bites alone, and do not trap bats inside. Confirm the insect, follow wildlife laws, then exclude bats and seal routes professionally. So the paradox resolves. Not every attic bug lives on attic dirt. Some are sheltering, some feeding, and one is following another animal. Use the 3-part attic formula. Identify the evidence, remove the resource, seal the route. Skipping step 2 often brings the mystery back. Twice yearly, scan vents, eaves, stored fabrics, beams, frass piles, shed skins, and animal signs. Photograph first. Disturb nothing active. The room nobody checks becomes manageable once its clues have names. Neglect creates mystery. Evidence creates control. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to Nature Archive Docs.